Yeah, so we stuffed the pig with batuan, lemongrass, ginger, some saba, some smoik, onions, sauit salt with lime. There.
Nice. It's a brand new day. Weather's cooperating with us, pero napasarap sa tulog, kaya medyo mainit-init. Kung yung iba ay nagkakape, tayo ay And to complete the process of my morning ritual, mag-shot muna tayo. For me, di ba yung iba nagme-meditate? Ako naman, pag nagtutoothbrush ako, ito seryoso to pag nagtutoothbrush ako, that's the time I actually get to think. What to do, how's the day gonna start, magkakaroon ka ng ideas. Alam mo yun, it's like a self-reflection moment, and it really just starts your day. Okay, Aaron, let's go. Si Jeremy nagtatanong kung ano daw gusto natin pabili sa labas kasi lalabas siya. They said, Mang Tomas. Mang Tomas. We're having lechon today. For breakfast.
Ampalaya. Do you guys like ampalaya?
So,
I think something bitter to cut the...
Achara.
Kutsara. Ayun, lahat na bagay sa lechon. At saka, di ba sabi ni Ninong Ray, first day lang yung... First day lang fresh ang vegetables.
Labanos.
Third day na tayo, so wala. Wipe up na yung gulay namin. Kung meron man, hindi na siya sariwa.
Labanos, tapos parang paper, ano natin.
Okay yan.
Meron akong pang ganun eh.
Oo, okay yan.
Labanos.
Sabi, 700,000 ba ito?
4-wheel drive dito.
Hindi, yun ang problema.
It's a new light Ace.
Kasi may mga Suzuki na 4-wheel drive eh.
Okay.
Pwede ko ikot.
Yun lang ang kulang dito, hindi 4-wheel drive.
Like Delica.
1,500. Ano, yung same sa,
Looks so versatile.
Sa top of the line ng Vios.
Ay nako, I want to just move to the
Look at this,
Philippines. Aaron noticed it right away. Yeah, when I walked in, like, it's a light Ace, it's so cute. Ringside seats to this beautiful roasted pig that's being cooked in front of us at 11:23 a.m. Nag-start si Chavi ng 6? 6 ka nagising? 6 ka nag-start, ano? 6, imagine. It's a big pig. And finale na ng ating camp. 3 days tayo dito. Wild, di ba? Grabe. Ang saya. Ang init, pero we're still here. We're still happy. And ang saya ng camaraderie. And guys, di ba? Sabihin mo, ay, hindi sa camp, ganito lang, ganyan. Oh, si Norse ni Millie to just here. Dito lang lahat yan. Tapos yun, naghiram lang kami ng mga gamit sa ibang rigs and then binuo lang namin. Look at it. Parang nasa set ka. Parang nasa movie set ka. And then yun, you have sila Ninong Rider, you have sila Chavi. So actually, meron akong in-invite na na-meet ko lang siya yesterday. And parang nag-peak sila sa camp natin. And parang nakita mo sa mata nila, it really lit up. Parang hindi sila makapaniwala na nakikita nila in real life. Wala lang. I mean, we're doing this because we're having fun. We want to hang out with each other. We want to cook for you guys. We want to share the experience. Kung hindi man kayo makakamp, at least sana madala namin kayo dito through your screens. Sana ma-feel nyo yung ma-feel namin. Pero kung may chance kayo, edi mag-camp. Camp tayo. But also, you know, camping is really about camaraderie, community. You gravitate towards the people that have the same vibe as you, and all walks of life. You know, mayaman, mahirap, simple, komplikado, maarte, hindi. Pero yung common denominator, mahilig sa pagkain, good vibes lang, chill. But anyway, gusto ko talaga i-share sa neighbor natin doon. Gusto ko talaga ma-experience niya rin to. At saka, alagaan ko siya na hindi siya mahiya. Good morning, good morning. Ligpitan na. May lakad kayo? Di, mag-lunch kayo with us, ha? Dito. Ano nga first name ulit?
Johan.
Johan. Frizel. Okay. Okay lang talaga. Assure ko kayo ngayon, pakita ko lang sa inyo, and then, balik lang kayo. Sige, para mamaya, kahit busy ako, dire-diretso lang kayo. Ako naman pakain eh, so, kumbaga, bisita namin kayo. Come on, buddy. Yung wife ko si Camille, mga kapitbahay natin. Ano? Di ba kapon iba pa yung itsura? Ngayon ito na yung itsura niya. Overland Kings. Bumibili ka ba sa Overland Kings?
Ito po kaya.
Hindi pa. Hindi ko daw kaya, pero...
Grabe!
Anak,
Customizable!
sir, hindi yan sa... Di ba, Joel, wala yan sa presyo?
Wala!
Depende kung anong trip
Wala
mo.
kaming mahal. Cheap lang kami.
Affordable. Hindi cheap.
Affordable. Wala.
Joni.
Ayan, ito yung representative ko ng Overland. Sales.
Oh, ikaw magbenta ng Overland Kings.
Overland Kings, what you should remember is ABC. A, affordable. B, value for money. C, cost effective.
Tama yung AC eh, yung B.
Budget friend. Budget friend.
Best, saka best value. Pwede naman ganun eh.
So, when you go camping, do you usually bring your kids, your family, or friends? Do you usually drink? Do you plan on going to the rain, or do you plan on being sunny all the time? Or, kasi we can customize all rigs if you want. Do you want to fly? We can do that too.
So ito yung kitchen namin. Ito yung Sarsa kitchen. Medyo nagliligpit na, pero 2-burner. Tapos may burner pa kami dyan. So kumbaga kung buuhin mo, yung pag nag camp kami, siguro mga 10 burner. Like talagang parang restaurant. Tapos yung mga...
Kita ko sa inyo is sa Silent Sanctuary kayo eh.
Oh.
Tapos nag-ano kayo? Pizza.
Gusto
Nakauni.
po niya na mag-uni.
Iwan na. Tapos may lechon tayo. Ayan si Baguio Mountain Man. Pagod na. Kasi kanina pagising. Ganito kami. Ano kami dito. May kape ka pa? Chabs, may kape ka pa? Do you want hot chocolate? Okay. Do you see this? Look. That is a big pot of hot chocolate. Ako rin, daddy. Okay. It's hot, okay? Lagyan natin ng ice. Gusto niya.
With ice? You want with ice?
Ner, lagyan mo ice.
Natin.
Ay, ayun, ano yung laman yan?
Batuan, smoke.
Not one, but two.
Basta
Not two, but one.
ayun sa laman loob, baka
15 kilos. And ilan tayo ngayon dito? 20, so 1 kilo each. 800 grams each.
Yan ang dalawang konting balat na lang ako.
Ano pinakamasarap sa bahay? Bibigyan kita ng tip ah. Bilang kusinero kasi na nagiging taga-chaplan ng lechon pag may dalang lechon yung mga bisita, yung mga customer. Pinakamasarap sa lechon yung pisngi.
Ners, kanin, sapat.
tanggalin na lang natin yan mamaya.
Ayun oh.
Oh, may
May pilantik.
Teka lang.
Snoopy po yan? Oh, Snoopy. Ayaw ko malaman.
Ray, oh. Pwede pa lagyan ng kahoy sa likod.
Ang alin?
Kahoy sa likod.
Kahoy sa likod?
Wala matutos tayong damit, hindi.
Bro, hiram lang to
Oh? Eh, wag yun. Ba't niyo susot sa akin?
Tama. Ayun!
Okay, picture tayo. Siguro yung tanong, gaano kalayo yan sa bayan, gaano kalayo. Yung mga ganong tanong, kasi just in case, pwede tayo baka may pwede tayo, di ba? So, ano pa ba? Kayo, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Yes, sir. Ha? Kung meron kayong masasabi, ano masasabi mo? Maliban na pina-English ka sa... hanggang gabi daw, sabi ni Neri. Nanginginig pa daw. Guys, yung pinaka-importante sa lahat na to is yung ligpitan. At saka yung storage. Kasi di ba sabi ko sa'yo, Neri, kahapon, yung inventory, pera yan. Pag tulog yung inventory, tulog yung pera. Pag natapon yung inventory, tapon yung pera. So, yung alam ko pagod na tayo lahat, especially mamaya, pero critical yan na ma-freeze mo agad, matago mo yung inventory mo.
Ayan. Meron ng konti pagtunaw na nagaganap.
A little melting.
A little melting that is happening. Ngayon, once may makita kayong humiwalay na mantika doon sa tsokolate, seize na yun, wala na kayong magagawa doon. You can still use it for brownies and stuff, pero wala na. Hopefully, hindi ito mag-seize, kasi pag ito nag-seize, wala. Pagkatalsin nga ito ng laway ko, seize to bigla.
Cease to exist.
Tapos, pakilala mo yung katabi mo. Aba, magtabi ka sa kanya.
Yan! Hello!
Ganun, no?
Hello, mami! Kain po tayo.
Okay.
Hanapin natin helicopter. Nihalango. Helicopter! Helicopter na lang. Oo, hindi namin drone.
Tapos photo with birthday celebrants, one of each. Carolyn.
Para kami may birthday dito.
Tapos yung third si Chavi. So,
Yeah.
so thank you, dear Lord, for blessing us with this weather. Also, thank you for everyone who came. Thank you for all the good energy, all the good vibes, good company, good food. Wala, it's just all about giving thanks. Of course, we're celebrating for 3 people, Chavi, Carolyn, and Marvs.
Yes! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Maraming salamat.
Ikaw na, take it away.
Okay, so dahil nagse-celebrate po tayo, we are celebrating 3 birthdays, including mine. Thank you, hindi ko na-expect to. Akala ko magluluto lang tayo at mag-e-enjoy at mag-swimming doon. Anyways, nagising po kami. We woke up at 6 a.m. to do this. Lechon, I'm always up for a challenge. Ang dala namin pang ihaw, pang manok, pang lechon manok. So,
Yun lang napag-usapan
So, before we purchased it, we made sure na kakasya siya doon sa aming sandata. So, kumasya, pumasok, nilagyan siya ng batuan. Meron siyang batuan sa loob. There's batuan there. We have a lot of lemongrass inside, some garlic, some onions, some smoked meat inside. And then, tinuhog namin. Pero next time, dito pala siya pinapasok sa banda sa puwet, and I have to, lock the spine. Ang ginawa ko kasi, leg. Buti na lang merong cross na
Yes,
otherwise. At saka salamat pala sa mga nag-ihaw. Kasi kung hindi po dahil sa kanila, hindi ko maluluto ito. Okay, so that, and then yung bling-bling niya is from Alabanza, Longganisa in Baguio, and then yun, at saka may salad.
Salad tayo. Guys, mag-salad na tayo, ha?
Oo, parang awa nyo na.
pero may kanin tayo dyan.
Yeah.
Bakit nga ng kanin?
Ano ba yung ginawa
Actually,
mo?
wala akong ginawa today. Totoo. Nagsayang lang talaga kami ng kanin.
Hindi, actually, napakahalaga niyan.
Hindi, at saka si Saul and Millie decorated
Oh,
this.
yes!
Made this all pretty.
Napakaganda.
And you made...
Yeah. So, kanina, I tried to make a cake without any measuring. So, there are 2 layers. The one is the good layer, the one is the better layer. So, kanina, nung ginawa namin to, it didn't look this good. Pero due to the magic hands of the people behind the cameras, it made it look better. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. It's basically a brownie cake with a chocolate ganache, unsweetened chocolate, so it tastes closer to a tablea. So when you taste it, it's very, not very, but quite bitter, not like commercial chocolate cake. It's very, how do you call this? The bitter acidity. May ganun minsan yung mga chocolate, mga dark chocolate matitikman nyo siya dyan. And yun, kung si Baguio Mountain man, naggawa ng lechon, ako nagluto ng cake without any, measurements, and I think it's fine. Pero Mas matindi pa rin yung ginawa niyo. Gumising niya 6 a.m. ako 10 a.m. eh.
Sorry, meron pala akong...
Ginawa.
Hindi ako, kami.
Ah.
Neri. Si Neri ay gumawa ng salted egg, no?
Saka sauce, mga sauce.
Mga sauce natin.
Gumawa kami ng salted egg sauce. Tsaka meron pa kaming breakfast kanina, umaga, pwede rin siya.
Tapos nag-init tayo ng piyaya.
Yes, may piyaya tayo sa side.
Gusto
Gumawa
nyo?
tayo ng special gravy na turo ni Chef Jakes. Para sa atin.
Ay, yung suka natin.
Ayun, Chef, kasaling ka na lang suka.
Sige. Okay.
Ayun, kasi sino gumawa ng cucumber water?
So, saka si ano.
To cleanse the palate. Okay.
So, ano, sige.
Okay.
Ano?
And the salad, that's arugula from Winston. And then
From
the
my friend.
dressing,
From my
it's
friend
made from
Candy.
JP's, you have ano there shrimp paste, yung base niya.
okay.
It was made by Buhay.
Naghugas ng plato.
Naghuhugas sa plato sa buhay. Yan, thank you. Yes.
And Sir Joel.
Lord, thank you, salamat for another epic weekend that you've given us, and for all the birthdays we celebrate. Pray for all the celebrants for good health, for blessing them more. Also pray for blessing for everybody here who've made time to make this possible, for the friendships, memories, everything that we have. So really appreciate the time you've given us, appreciate the enjoyment and all the food that you've given us. So we want to give thanks. Thank you again on this day. In Jesus' name we pray.
Yeah, that's it. Pero bago tayo kumain, chicken oil muna sa kanin. Yeah.
Ito na rin.
Dito na rin. Oh. Alright, tara. Attack! Uy, ayun oh. Ayan, dito ko.
Celebrant?
Lagyan mo na ng sound effect yung pag-slice up.
Ang bango.
Tandali ka dyan.
Ayun, uy! May longganisa sa loob, pre.
Sa labas.
Ay, batuan pala yun. Batuan pala
May
yun.
nilagay siyang smoked meat.
Smoked meat, ayun.
Bali, yan lang yung kakainin natin. Ito para sa mga
Wala to tapon
bisita pa
yan.
nating
So,
marami.
tanglad, batuan, garlic, asin. Yun lang. Some veggies.
Salad queen.
You are like a Santa.
Got to believe. Got to believe in magic.